Hello everyone, Chris Lambert here. Welcome back to another unboxing of random stuff here. So let's start with the first one. Some of these are from Amazon, some from Verizon's, some are from Walmart. This one here is from Amazon. I bought this because I think it was like $10. And I thought maybe it would come in handy, but I think I should have bought one that clipped well. This, okay, it's supposed to be, let's open it up and I'll show you what it is here. I thought it was missing a part, but I can feel it in there. So what we have here is a little keychain light. Has a stand. I'm thinking I should have bought one. One has a micro USB charging port. It's a bottle opener, so it must be metal. I hope it's metal. And it's mini size. Yeah, that's why it's $10. It's really small. Let's see what that looks like. I thought maybe I could use it. Here's the USB-C. It's nice that people are finally getting around up to date and making USB A to C. Could be C to C, but for your computer, A would be good, I guess. Yeah, it's small. Yeah, okay. Metal. Yeah, it's metal. It's a little. Looks like it says CIWIC. Here we got a little clip. And I was thinking I should have bought one that connected to my camera, but does it? Oh, I guess maybe it can. I think it's magnetic, which is nice. It's supposed to have a little stand. There's the stand. And it looks like here's the charging port. And over here we have the on-off button. Let's check it out. Pretty bright. Wow. Oh yeah, it's got a dim flashing, and then it's off. Okay, so maybe that will work. And it also came with a little metal, plastic I should say, little plastic stand. It's got plastic feet, little plastic turn thing. Yeah, pretty cheap, but what do you expect for $10? Let's see how it goes on here. I thought maybe I could use it in my videos when it gets dark, or yeah, it doesn't want to screw in. Let's see. Okay. Got the Siamese cat here. Cat's been bad trying to catch birds. Almost caught a robin, as I said. Now it almost caught a blue jay, and I chased it away. But there's a robin making a lot of noise, so maybe it caught a robin. I don't know. Yeah, I can't. You know, I don't want to force this in here. I don't know if these threads line up. There it goes. Yeah, they go in there pretty. I'll just barely put it in there. So there we go. You can. It's got a little ball thing. That's funny because the stand is plastic. So there we go. Turn it on. Blind everybody. Not bad for $10, huh? You can hang it from your tent, maybe. Hang it from somewhere. Maybe attach it to your camera. It's $10.95 maybe at Amazon, plus the tax and shipping. I've got Amazon Prime, so I don't know what it would be for other people. So that was a little Cobb, a CLB rechargeable keychain light. I guess you can put it on your keychain. I carry way too much stuff in my pockets as it is, so that's not what I bought it for. And let's check out the next thing. The next thing is for, it looks really small, what it's supposed to be, which is nice. Is I like small things, compact things. Okay, it's in a Ziploc bag. This one is supposed to be an alcohol lamp. You can see it's got 2 wicks, 2 string wicks. Really small alcohol lamp. The last one I bought was probably that big. But I wanted to check out this one. This was a $10 too, I think. Yeah, there we go. Now, what they mentioned about this tiny alcohol lamp is, I think you can just use your regular rubbing alcohol in it, and you can, heat up coffee, boil water, make coffee, tea, whatever. Maybe cook some food. This one, what I liked about it, this one, they said can be used in the little UCO lamps. Now, UCO, UCO. Here's a little bug. UCO lamp is a little lamp with a glass, whatever you call it, chimney, and they have a nice thick candle you can put in it. So here's so it's supposed to be aluminum. It's got a rubber gasket here, and you pour your alcohol in here, put your wick in. Which I dropped one. I'm not going to do that right now. Adjust your wick. Soak your wick and light it. And I don't know if this... Yeah. So they say you can use this in your little UCO lantern, which provides light and a little bit of heat. So that's the second thing I got. Don't know what brand it was, got it on Amazon. Third thing you've all seen before if you watch my videos. I buy these. I have a lot of these. I've given some away to people who had bad phone chargers. Because yes, this is a phone charger from Verizon. One of my favorites. So yeah, it's the fast charge OtterBox charger, which I didn't know they made chargers until I bought this phone, my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, 256 gigabyte. I wanted the 12 gigabyte, but they were out. It's hard to get those. They recommended this charger. So I purchased one of these, and I've been buying these ever since. They have them in 20 and 30 watts, and they charge fast. Yeah, it says up to 75% charge in 30 minutes. Now the new ones that they have also charge fast. The white ones that they sell, I forgot what brand they sell. We got one for a new Google phone we bought, and it works really well. So. Now these are pretty expensive. I think they're about $39 for that one, maybe $35 for the other one. And then the last thing I just happened to see on top of the Memorial Day display is everyone's favorite Minecraft rubber chicken. Yeah, who doesn't like rubber chickens? So, it looks like a Minecraft. Right now it just says animals, but it reminded me of a Minecraft, even though I've never played the game. I've seen it. So that's my stuff for today. Forgot my shirt. But, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.